Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Escape headlight. Replacing a dim or burned-out headlight is crucial for safe driving and maintaining proper visibility on the road. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have the knowledge to complete this common maintenance task. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to testing your new light, making it a straightforward repair. Before starting, gather your essential tools. You'll need a socket set, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and pliers. Always wear protective gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from your skin from shortening its lifespan. For your safety, it's a good practice to disconnect the vehicle's battery before beginning any electrical work. To remove the old headlight, first locate the bolts or screws securing the headlight assembly. These are typically at the top and side. Use your wrench or socket set to remove these fasteners. Once loose, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward. You will then need to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the old bulb by pressing their release tabs. Now for installation, carefully push the new headlight bulb into its socket, ensuring you do not touch the glass with bare hands. Reconnect the electrical harness until you hear a click, confirming it's secure. Guide the headlight assembly back into place, reattaching all bolts and screws. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm they are working correctly before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.